What if you could reach out to a lead the exact moment they're ready to buy? Well, LinkedIn Sales Navigator alerts make that possible. They notify you when prospects change jobs, when their companies hit the news, when leads engage with your content, all of the buying signals that tell you when it's time to reach out. But here's what LinkedIn won't tell you. These alerts show up too late and everyone sees them all at the exact same time. Now, in this video, I'll walk you through how LinkedIn Sales Navigator alerts actually work, the hidden limitations that might actually cost you some deals, and most importantly, how to take them 10 times further with a system that tracks intent in real time. So let's start with the basics. What do Sales Navigator alerts actually do? Sales Navigator alerts are LinkedIn's way of notifying you when something changes with your saved leads and accounts. When you log into Sales Navigator, alerts appear in your dashboard. You'll also get email summaries if you want them. So here's what they actually track. First is job changes. You'll get notified when a lead switches companies or gets promoted. Second, shared posts. Whenever leads or accounts post content, you'll see it. Third, news mentions. If companies you're tracking hit the news, you'll know about it first. And the fourth is profile views. You'll see when a lead checks out your profile. Now, the idea behind this is that each alert gives you a reason to reach out with context instead of just cold guessing. And here's the critical part. These alerts only work for leads and accounts you've actually saved. No saves, no alerts. So where do you actually find alerts? Well, these alerts pop up in two key areas, the Sales Navigator homepage and in email summaries. So let's talk about the Sales Navigator homepage first. When you log in, alerts appear in the center of your dashboard. They're organized by relevance, showing you updates from your saved leads and accounts. You can use filters to focus on the most qualified opportunities quickly. Now, the second is email summaries. LinkedIn also sends you a digest of recent alerts by email. That's handy when you're not actively prospecting, but customize your notification settings, otherwise your inbox will probably get flooded fast. Now let's talk about the types of Sales Navigator alerts. Sales Navigator keeps you in the loop with these two main types, account alerts and lead alerts. Account alerts track changes happening within the companies you've saved. They help spot growth, new decision makers, or potential slowdowns. Now, whenever a company that you're following posts something on LinkedIn, you'll get an account shared update. That's your cue to comment, engage, and get noticed. Now, another opportunity is when new decision makers appear as new people join your target company. That's your chance to introduce yourself to some new people. Now, lead alerts track what individual prospects are doing. When a lead changes jobs, congratulate them. A new job usually means new budget, new tools, and the perfect time to reconnect. Now, just remember, if a lead gets promoted or moves teams or an entirely new company, just make sure to adjust your pitch so it stays relevant to their new role. Now, when a lead shares a new post, engage with it immediately. Drop a comment, and you could even reference it in your outreach message to them. And if a lead views your profile, that's your sign that they're already aware of you, so you can reach out right away. Now, you might be wondering, how do you actually set up LinkedIn Sales Navigator alerts? So let me quickly show you how you can get these set up in minutes. Now, you'll only get alerts for saved leads or accounts, so you have to first build your lead list. And luckily for you, we do have another video on how to do that, so you can check that out right here or go down to the link in the description to watch that video. Now, with Sales Navigator, your plan probably lets you save a set number of leads and accounts, up to thousands depending on your subscription. Now, here's what 90% of sales teams don't realize. There's actually a big problem. Sales Navigator shows you activity, not intent, and it shows you that activity usually too late and when everyone else finds out too. So when a champion changes jobs, you get an alert. That's great, but so does every other rep who saved that person on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You're all seeing the same signal at the same time, often even 7 to 14 days after it actually happened. So unfortunately, there's zero competitive advantage here. Sales Navigator also doesn't connect signals across accounts. So if 3 of your champions move to companies in the same vertical, you won't see that pattern. You won't spot hiring spikes or real buying intent. And all those alerts, well, they disappear after 60 days. So yeah, Sales Navigator gives you some visibility, but it doesn't give you speed, prioritization, or team-wide coordination. Now, that's the wall you hit with Sales Navigator. But luckily, there is a better way. Wiza Monitor can help you take your alerts 10 times further with real-time tracking. Now, this is where everything changes. What if instead of manually going into Sales Navigator and checking your alerts to see if maybe one of your prospects changed jobs, you instead got a Slack notification the instant it happened, and you also got their new email, their phone number, and their LinkedIn profile automatically synced to your CRM. And that's the other limitation with LinkedIn Sales Navigator. you're not actually going to be getting their updated contact information when they switch jobs. Now, luckily, this is exactly what Wiza Monitor does. Think of it as Sales Navigator's smarter, faster cousin, built for action, not just observation. Here's how it works. First, you get real-time champion tracking. So you'll know the moment a past buyer or advocate switches companies or gets promoted. You won't find out 2 weeks later, not buried in your LinkedIn feed. You'll get it instantly sent to you via a Slack or email notification. And you'll get this before any of your competitors even notice while they're scrolling through LinkedIn. So this is your window to reconnect, repitch, and win deals that everyone else is still playing catch up with. And the other good thing about Wiza Monitor is you get real-time multi-channel alerts. Now, Sales Navigator alerts live inside LinkedIn, and that's about it. Wiza Monitor, though, pushes alerts directly to Slack, email, and updates your CRM automatically so your entire team stays in sync. So it's not just in your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. Now you can have it trigger to your entire company-wide CRM and have more sales reps get the notification in Slack. Now, this is great because you can also create dedicated Slack channels by tags in Wiza Monitor, so you can have enterprise clients in one channel or you can have past customers in another channel. And what's great about this is every single alert includes the person's LinkedIn profile and updated contact info, so outreach is instant and frictionless. And again, like I said, it syncs with your CRM with zero manual work. Now, unlike Sales Navigator, where you need to copy and paste their profile and you don't even get their contact information, Wiza Monitor automatically gets their contact information and updates your CRM for you. It automatically updates their job title, their company, their email, and their phone number directly into your connected CRM. There's no exports, no spreadsheets, and definitely no delays. Your database stays clean and current without even lifting a finger. And Wiza Monitor gives your entire team a centralized dashboard with full visibility into every monitored contact, rather than every single person having their own LinkedIn Sales Navigator account that's siloed between every person. And again, you can invite team members to a shared Slack channel so everyone gets the instant notifications. No more siloed alerts, no more duplicate outreach, and everyone's just aligned and ready to act. So here's the reality. If you're not tracking champions in real time, you're literally just handing deals to competitors who are. Every single day you wait is another opportunity lost. Another champion who moves companies and forgets about you because someone else reached out first. Now, if you want to avoid that and you want to try Wiza Monitor for free, then check out the link in the description. And if you want to see a demo of exactly how Wiza Monitor works and how to set it up, then you can watch this video next, or go down to the link in the description if it doesn't show up on screen here. I'll show you how to set it up step by step and walk you through the entire platform. So have a magical day, and I'll see you in that next video.